Imagine holding the entire future of cinematography in the palm of your hand, a device so powerful it makes professional cinema cameras from just a few years ago look like relics of a bygone era. We are standing on the precipice of a massive shift in how we capture our lives, our adventures, and our stories. For years, the battle for action camera supremacy has been a two-horse race. But as we move deeper into 2026, one name is beginning to echo louder than all the rest. The whispers in the industry have turned into a roar, and the focus is squarely on one piece of hardware that promises to redefine the limits of what a small sensor can achieve. This isn't just another incremental update or a shiny new casing on old tech. We are talking about a fundamental leap in optical engineering and artificial intelligence integration. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is no longer a myth. It is the definitive answer to every creator who has ever felt limited by low light, shaky footage, or the frustrating trade-off between resolution and battery life. When we look at the trajectory of the Osmo Action series, it's clear that DJI hasn't just been trying to keep up with the competition. They've been trying to lap them. With the Action 7, the core philosophy revolves around the era of 8K. For a long time, 8K in an action camera was dismissed as a gimmick, a battery-draining, overheating nightmare that produced files too large to manage. But in 2026, the ecosystem has caught up. High-speed storage is cheaper, AI-assisted compression is more efficient, and the Action 7's new processing engine handles 8K at 60 frames per second without breaking a sweat. Imagine the level of detail you can extract from an 8K frame. You can crop in 400% and still have a crisp 4K image. This changes the game for solo creators. You can set the camera down, record a wide shot, and in post-production, create close-ups, pans, and zooms that look like they were shot with a multi-camera setup. It's like having a digital cinematographer living inside your pocket. But resolution is nothing without a sensor that can actually feed at quality light. The Action 7 is rumored and now essentially confirmed to sport a massive 1/1.1-inch sensor. To put that into perspective, that is encroaching on the territory of premium compact cameras. The jump in surface area means each pixel is larger, allowing it to drink in light during those tricky blue-hour hikes or deep-sea dives where previous models would succumb to digital noise. DJI has paired this hardware with their most advanced neural processing unit yet. This isn't just basic noise reduction. It's a real-time generative AI layer that reconstructs details in the shadows while preserving the natural texture of the highlights. When you're filming a sunset over the Grand Canyon, you're no longer choosing between a blown-out sky or a pitch-black foreground. The dynamic range here is reaching 14 stops, a number that was reserved for five-figure Hollywood cameras just a decade ago. Let's talk about the physical evolution because the 2026 model brings a refined industrial design that prioritizes thermal management. One of the biggest complaints with high-performance action cams has always been the shutdown. Your mid-vlog, the sun is beating down, and suddenly the screen goes black because the internals are cooking. The Action 7 introduces a new magnesium alloy heatsink system that wraps around the lens assembly, pulling heat away from the processor and dissipating it through the outer frame. This allows for continuous 8K recording sessions that last longer than anything we've seen before. Furthermore, the dual-screen setup has received a massive upgrade. Both the front and rear displays are now LTPO OLED panels, offering 3,000 nits of peak brightness. This means even under the harsh midday sun of the Sahara, you can see exactly what you're framing without squinting or using your hand as a makeshift shade. Stabilization has always been DJI's secret sauce, and RockSteady 5.0 is nothing short of sorcery. We've moved past simple electronic image stabilization. The Action 7 utilizes an integrated 6-axis gyro that works in tandem with a predictive AI algorithm. It doesn't just react to a bump. It predicts the trajectory of your movement and compensates before the shake even happens. With Or you're mounting this to a mountain bike barreling down a rocky trail or a drone weaving through a forest, the footage comes out looking like it was filmed on a heavy-duty gimbal. And then there's RockSteady 2.0, which now supports 360-degree rotation at full 4K resolution. You can literally flip the camera upside down midair, and the horizon will stay perfectly level. It's the kind of feature that makes your viewers dizzy with wonder, not motion sickness. The audio experience on the Action 7 is another area where DJI is flexing its muscles. In the past, if you wanted professional audio, you had to mess with external adapters and bulky microphones. The Action 7 features a 4-mic array with advanced beam forming and wind reduction algorithms. It can isolate your voice from the roar of the wind or the crash of waves, making it the ultimate tool for vloggers who don't want to carry a bag full of accessories. But if you do want more, the seamless integration with the DJI Mic 3 system is a masterstroke. The receiver is essentially built into the camera's wireless protocol, allowing for an instant, cable-free connection with studio-quality sound. This ecosystem approach is why DJI is winning. They aren't just selling a camera, they're selling a frictionless workflow.